Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 73 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the car first of all. As you can see, the tailgate on this car opens electronically. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see the reversing sensors. This car's got a reversing camera as well. It's a 7-seat vehicle, so all 7 seats are in place at the moment. In the back of the vehicle here, we have some mats. We've also got the charging cable for the hybrid element of this vehicle. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the vehicle. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, firstly you can see all 4 alloy wheels are in excellent condition, as is the bodywork for the car the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb inside the car, I think it's well worth showing you the interior from this exterior point of view. First of all, we have electric memory seats with 3 different memory settings and a Harman Kardon hi-fi system as well. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer, as well as the digital readout for the speedometer. Over on the right-hand side, it will show you the power that you're using in the car and whether or not the battery is charging as you're driving. And the gear for the car as well. So this is an automatic, we're in park, of course. In the sensor at the bottom, we have the battery charge level in miles and the fuel gauge in miles as well. You can see we have satellite navigation displayed in the main section. You can change information that's displayed in there, and you can, for example, have the total miles for the car shown, which are 7,766. All of that information is adjusted and changed using the buttons on the steering wheel here and here. Over on the left-hand side, we have cruise control. Once you set cruise control, use these buttons here if you wish to. You're able to set the distance between yourself and the car in front. This vehicle will then maintain that distance, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front speed. Over into the centre next, we have the main touchscreen. Really easy, very clear system. So very easy to use. You can obviously access your Google Maps up the top here, and you can see that open up for you. This button here will take you back to the home screen. You have your audio menu, of course, where you can listen to the radio, DAB, AM and FM radio. You can also listen to your own music in a number of ways, one of which is to stream it wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you paired your phone, which is done under the phone heading, of course. And at the bottom here, we have a car status menu. At the bottom, at the very bottom, you can see that you are able to take or make adjustments to your climate control. So I can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature, for example. I can change the fan speed on here. You can determine where you would like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. The air conditioning is on at the moment. Up here, you can turn it off. Back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car with a heated front screen, heated rear screen. All in all, a very, very easy system to use. You can also access your heated seat just here, and you've got 3 different heat settings. Your air-conditioned seat, which if you've not had it before is fantastic as we enter these summer months, and a heated steering wheel as well. And over on the passenger side, we have just the seat controls, of course. There is no steering wheel. Below that, we have the physical control for your volume, a couple of stereo controls down here as well, your hazard warning lights, for example. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox with reverse, neutral and drive, and then park is on this button just here. We have a 12-volt charging socket. This pad supports wireless phone charging. So if your phone is able to charge wirelessly, pop it on here and it will begin to charge. This is how you start and stop the car. Just twist this dial. So the car is running at the moment. It's now off and it's now running again. The last thing I wanted to show you are the controls for the sunroof. So it isn't a button, it is a swipe. Put your finger in there and swipe it, which I'll show you now. So as I say, if I put my finger here and swipe backwards, you will see that the sunblind will open all the way to the back of the rear seats, which lets in a huge amount of extra light. Of course, you can leave it like this, or if you wish to, you can also open, by doing the exact same sliding motion, the front section of sunroof, as you can see. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live, bespoke video walk around of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.